Woodwork measuring hand tools. Woodwork measuring hand tools is a basic science and technology topic. Focus. 1. Description of woodwork measuring hand tools. 2. Examples of woodwork measuring hand tools. 3. Care and maintenance of woodwork measuring hand tools. 4. Evaluation questions. 1. Examples of woodwork measuring hand tools. 1. Folding rule. Uses. Folding rule is used for measuring length. 2. Steel rule. Uses. Steel rule is used for measuring linear length. 3. Wind-up tapes. Uses. Wind-up tape is used for measuring length. 4. Flexible rule. Uses. Flexible rule is used for measuring length of irregular shapes. 5. Protractor. Uses. Protractor is used for measuring angles. 6. A pair of divider. Uses. A pair of divider is used for picking and transferring measurement. 7. Inside caliper. Uses. Inside caliper is used for measuring inside diameter. 8. Outside caliper. Uses. Outside caliper is used for measuring outside diameter. 9. Odd leg caliper. Uses. Odd leg caliper is used to find center of object. 10. Vernier caliper. Uses. Vernier caliper is used for measuring thickness, depth, inside diameter and outside diameter of object. Care and maintenance of woodwork measuring hand tools. 1. Dusting and cleaning of tools. 2. Oiling and greasing tool joints. 3. Sharpening of sharp edges. 4. Tightening of tool bolts and nuts. 5. Keeping tool in proper place. Questions. 1. Name 3 woodwork measuring hand tools. 2. Describe the function of the woodwork measuring hand tools listed. 3. Draw 3 woodwork measuring hand tools. 4. Explain 5 ways on how to care and maintain woodwork hand tools. Watching, click subscribe button on the down right side and also click on bell icon. Also remember to click on the like button. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.